Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y and change in Y. We will also check out the trend cycle, PCR and Maxfin for both the indices. First, we will start with Bank Nifty. Here and check out the closing price. Here is the closing of Bank Nifty, which is at 22,584.65 on July 8th. And we are talking about 9th July expiry, that is tomorrow's expiry. Now we will find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between highest call and highest put. So to find a trading range, first we have to find out the highest call. For that purpose we will go through this column and find out where is the highest call. Here we can see the highest open interest call, around 8,06,000 contracts are over here. So this is going to be the highest call and highest resistance over here, followed by here we can see around 7,86,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strikes. So this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty tries to go up. Now here we can see around 3 lakh contracts, also here 3 lakh contracts. So these two strikes may act as an immediate resistance for Bank Nifty, and if you see the change in Y column here, the change in Y column, you can see here huge unwinding in call side here, and also some unwinding we can see over here. So these are the important levels that you have to keep watch on that. Here is unwinding, and also we can see some unwinding over here. So these are the important. Now we will find out the highest support. For that purpose we will go through this column to find out where is the highest support. Here we can see around 9,16,000 contracts are open at 22,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest support for Bank Nifty, followed by here we can see around 4,69,000 contracts open at 21,000 strike, whereas here we can see 4,43,000 contracts are open over here at 21,500. And also the important thing is here huge unwinding on put side also over here you can see, and this is going to be the immediate support for the Bank Nifty. Here at around 3 lakh contracts are open and 81,000 contracts are added. So this is going to be the immediate support for Bank Nifty. So unwinding in put and unwinding in call indicates there might be some volatile session tomorrow. We can see some volatile move in both sides. And now if we talk about the trading range, then we can say 21,500 to 23,000 is going to be the range for Bank Nifty. 21,500 to 23,000 is going to be the range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 22,500. This is going to be the pivot level, because here we can see around 3 lakh contracts open and here 3,51,000 contracts open. So this is going to be the pivot level. Below this it will try to go towards 21,000, 20,000 and 22,000 and 21,500. Above this it will try once again to break 23,000 and then go towards 23,500. So this is going to be the make and break level. This is going to be the pivot level. Also if we see this change, this all indicates the call writing was there, and this also indicates the put writing was there. So this is an indication of range bound market. So we can see tomorrow also we can see some range bound market. However, the bit volatile swing. This is all on Bank Nifty. Now we will also check out the trend cycle of it. Before that we will move towards Nifty and check out what is going on Nifty. First, we will check out the closing price of it. Here we can see 10,700. 5.75 is the closing for the Nifty on 8th July, and we are talking about 9 July expiry. Now we will find out the highest call for highest support, resistance, and highest call for the highest support, highest put for the highest support. If we go through this column, then here we can see around 38 lakh contracts are open at 31,500 at 11,000 strike, and followed by 35,000 contracts are at 10,800. See, if you see these strike, here we can see a huge call writing, and also see this one at 10,800 strike. Here is huge change in OI, around 10,46,000 contracts are changed in OI. So this is going to be very important resistance for Nifty. And for the change in Y also, here is huge, around 10,700. So these are the important level on and important resistance for Nifty if it try to go up, and also this can be the immediate resistance if Nifty goes down. This one 10,700, and here we can see if we go through the put side, we can see here 28 lakh contracts are open here at 10,600. So this is going to be the highest support for it, followed by here we can see 22 lakh 73,000 contracts at 10,300, and here at 10,500 we can see 27 lakh contracts open. So this is going to be the second highest support for the Nifty at 10,500, and highest support at here at 10,600. So this is the highest support, this is second highest. Here we can see around 21 lakh contracts are open. So this is going to be the immediate support for it. However, if you see the put unwinding is huge. This indicates the bulls are escaping. The put writers are escaping from here, and they believe market may fall, Nifty may fall. So this is on unwinding, and this is simple indication that support are weakening over here. And here we can see some call addition. So this is simple indication that we can see weakness in Nifty. Now if we see this indicates the call writing, this indicates support writing, this indicates the range bound to negative market, negative Nifty. So this is all about on OI Nifty. Now first we find the trading range and pivot level. This is going to be the pivot level, because here we can see 20 lakh contracts open, and also here 21 lakh contracts. So this is the pivot level. Above this, Nifty will try to go towards 7,050, 8,750 and 10,750 and 10,800 level. Below this, it will try to go towards 10,600. So this is the make and break level for the Nifty, and range going to be 10,600 to 10,800. This is the range for Nifty. Now we will move towards our blog to find out the max span, trend cycle and PCR for it. Here we can see the max span and PCR. The max span is constant for Nifty. However, the max span increased for the max span Bank Nifty, and PCR here some PCR has been decreased. So we can see some bullish momentum over here. Now see the trend cycle. Here we can see the trend cycle of Bank Nifty, long, simple indication of long on Bank Nifty. However, on Nifty long unwinding. So on trend cycle, these both look bullish. However, on OI, Bank Nifty looks bullish, but Nifty looks bearish. So need to be careful and need to be you have to keep the pivot level in mind before any trade. If you are going to trade on basis of this, you must know the pivot level. On basis of that you can trade. And this is all data are mixed, so you have to careful on these indices. And another thing that we can notice here, the VIX is moved up to the around 4%. So this was the main reason for Nifty fall. So if VIX start cooling, then we can see some upside move. This is all about that analysis of Bank Nifty and Nifty. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.